when the cat suddenly finds itself surrounded by fresh snow in the bathroom. The kitten detective has found a white trail. But what kind of sand is that? Oh, look! As soon as it sees the snow, this dog takes off at full speed. With jumps, sprints, and dives, it looks like it's found its favorite playground. The kitten steps outside and, with a curious look, starts tapping its paws on the snow falling from the sky. The cat has found its own playground on the car windshield. It digs and jumps in the snow as if it's its private track. Pretty awesome, right?
I'm really thinking about it. Oh, there they go. What's up, bud? What do you think? Ooh, he's never seen snow before, I don't think. Oh, there. He's going for it. That walk. Oh, man, here they all go. They've never been out in snow before. It's funny. I didn't think they'd come out here. Vincent, what are you doing?
With snow under its paws, the cat walks like it's crossing a minefield. Maximum caution and tail held high. The kitty approaches the snow, touches it, and seems to think, "What kind of joke is this? I want the grass back." When the cat encounters snow for the first time and thinks, "I can't believe it. The outside has turned into a giant freezer. Better go back inside."
Śnieżek. Ojej, pierwszy raz na śnieżku jesteś.
The cat looks at the snow and seems to ask, "Who spread all this cold cotton around?" Our kitty takes a leap into the snow, then stops, frozen. Someone is trying to freeze my paws, and I don't like it one bit. Sitting by the window, the kitty watches the snowfall, as if trying to figure out why the world has turned completely white.
Look at her face.
I'm pretty sure it thinks the snow is a trend. Who had the crazy idea of spreading that cold white carpet everywhere?
Sasha, come on in. Come on. Come on, let's go in.
When the cat is put outside in the winter and realizes that life apparently is full of surprises and cold.